real estate agents, take interviewing brokerages seriously. This decision you make, whatever brokerage you choose to go with, is going to be a very big decision for you and your family, for your business. All the future of your real estate career depends on it. Some agents, they go interview one brokerage, they get on the phone, they just jump in and they go, or somebody offered them free scholarships so they commit to them and they just go. Man, I got to tell you, your success depends on that decision, so you should really take it seriously. These are the things you should do when interviewing a brokerage. Number one, don't just interview the broker or the leadership, interview everyone. You have to understand the leadership, their job is to recruit you. Their job is to sell you on a bill of goods and tell you how amazing they are and all the things they offer. I think that's great. But get into the office, talk to the agents, talk to the support staff, talk to the people around you, spend a day in the life of an agent there. Ask them questions. Do you like it here? What do you not like here? What's good? Are they keeping good on the promises they made to you? Is it what they said it was going to be? Do you feel like you're making progress? Those are things that matter. When you're in the office, when you're in the meetings, when you're around the people, are they complainers? Are they solution-based? Is there a lot of collaboration going on? Are the agents open to sharing and lifting each other up? Because the brokerage is more than just leadership and support staff. It's all the people. You're going to connect with other people, and those are going to be people you're going to ask questions to and talk to. Yes, the leadership is there, and they should have a system of who to go to for what, coaching and all that stuff. I think that's great. But you're also going to connect with people, and you're going to say, hey, you're my friend, I'm your friend. That's a thing too. You should probably get along with those people, because if they're a bunch of jerks, you probably don't want to be there. So while you're there, you're going to connect. And when you connect to those people, are they open to helping you? Are they open to answering questions, sharing knowledge, collaborating you, taking you on showings and open houses to really show you how they do it? Those are the things you need to know about your brokerage. I would also look, if they have a coach or a training program or whoever the mentor is, how are they doing in business right now? Because right now in 2026, we're in a type of market that's a little more difficult than it was a couple years ago. Is your trainer, coach, mentor successful right now in this market? Do they know how to succeed in a difficult market? Because that's what you need to learn how to do. You need to learn how to succeed in a difficult market. And if your coach or trainer hasn't lived it, they'll never understand you. They won't be able to coach you on the reality of what's going on right now. So your chances of success drop drastically. Other things to look at too, look at their numbers. Is their office growing or shrinking? Are they losing more people than they're gaining? Are their numbers growing year after year? Are they selling more houses? The numbers tell a story as well. So guys, interview the whole brokerage. Make sure you talk to other agents. See what the culture is like. Does it fit you? You may not want to learn the way that they learn. May not want to be coached the way they get coached. That's perfectly acceptable. It may not fit you. Their leadership may rub you wrong. That's okay. So go in, interview at least 3 different brokerages, go in personally, get to know the people, staff, top to bottom, ask a ton of questions. Do not be focused as much on the commission splits. That's a later on conversation. Be focused on, do they have the environment, the people, the structure, the support, the collaboration, the systems, the proof of success that is going to help you become successful in this business. Then start looking at all the commission splits and all that stuff. The money does matter, but it doesn't matter nearly as much. They can offer you the best commission splits in the world, but be an absolute failure when it comes to supporting you in your business. So if you're not closing any deals, your commission structure doesn't matter, because 100% of 0 is 0. If you're not selling anything and you're not making any money at all and producing, you could have the greatest commission splits in the world. But if you're not closing and you're not in an environment that's going to support you in getting closings and feeding your family and living your best life, that commission split means jack. Guys, take it seriously. Interview several brokerages. Go in, meet the people top to bottom. Ask all the questions. Get to know the culture. Does it feel right? Does it fit you? And take this decision seriously, because it's going to affect you and your family in the future. I hope this helps. I love you guys. Have a great day.